Now we're back to CapCut. You can add a color effect to, in principle, any stickers that are inbuilt. Let us set it up with the library. I use a black background. You can resize that down here and make it as long as you need it. For this tutorial it doesn't really matter how long it is. Then you want to search for a rainbow gradient. Just type in rainbow and there you should find it. Put it on a different channel. I'll make that invisible for now. And now pick a sticker. Best is to use a white one, but then you can in principle use any of these. Doesn't matter if they only have a fill or only have a stroke. It works on both. Let me just pick one of the first ones here. I downloaded and edit. The gradient needs to be on top of it. And then resize it to have it as big as your black background. In this case I have to scale it down so we can see it fully. Now make the gradients visible, the rainbow. Resize it to have it as big as your sticker. And then size it up quite a lot to something like this. So we can, in principle, only see one color per frame. Then go to the blending mode, open a drop down. If you can't see it, switch to linear burn. And this gives this white sticker the gradient color. Now we'll start an animation at the start for position. And keep in mind, this is for the rainbow gradient. And then I move it to the left. So I move forward in the timeline and then I move the gradient from right to left until we've reach the end. Here's our bounding box. And now if I play it, you can see how this rainbow color rotates on top of the sticker, and thanks to the blending mode, this gives the sticker this color. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.